Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Aunia Afifah binti Musa. I'm from class 1C. Today I will present about anatomy and morphology of plant, which are fundamental concepts in understanding how plant grow and function. My presentation will cover both the internal and external structure of plant, and I will explore their significance in agriculture. To begin, let's define the two key concepts I'll be exploring today. First, plant anatomy. Plant anatomy refers to the internal structure of plant, focusing on tissue and organs that allow the plant to grow, transport water, and carry out photosynthesis. Plant morphology. Plant morphology is the external form and structure of plant such as roots, stem, and leaf. It examines physical form and structure of plant. Let's start with the root system. The root system anchors the plant in the soil and absorbs water and mineral. Root also play an important role in storing food for the plant. There have two main types of root. First is taproot, which is single and thick root like carrot, and fibrous root, which consists of many smaller roots like those in grass. Next, we have stem. Stem is the responsible for supporting the plant and transporting water, nutrients, and sugars between the roots and leaf. Two main types of stem, herbaceous and woody stem. Herbaceous stem meaning soft and green like spinach and sunflower. Woody stem is hard, woody, and brown. Woody stem have thickened tissue for support and protection like mango tree and rose, while herbaceous stems are flexible and less rigid. Moving on to the leaf. The leaf is the main site for photosynthesis, where the plant converts sunlight into energy. A leaf typically consists of the blade, the broad part where most photosynthesis occurs, and the petiole, which connect the leaf to the stem. The veins in the leaf transport water and nutrients. Leaf can also be simple with a single blade or compound with multiple leaflets. Now, let's dive into the internal structure of the root. The outermost layer is epidermis, protect the root and help with the absorption of water. Beneath that is the cortex, which stores food and water. The root also has specialized vascular tissue like xylem and phloem. Xylem, which carries water from the roots to the rest of the plant, and phloem, which transports sugar produced by photosynthesis. The stem is made up of several internal layers. The vascular bundle contains the xylem and phloem, which allow for the transport of water, nutrients, and sugar. The stem also contains a protective outer layer, the epidermis, and an internal pith for storing nutrients. In woody plants, the stem becomes thicker over time due to the growth of new layer of vascular tissue. Now, let's take a closer look at the leaf structure. The outer layers of the leaf are the upper and lower epidermis, which protect the leaf. The mesophyll, located between the epidermis, contain chloroplast for photosynthesis. The stomata, or small pores on the leaf surface, allow gas exchange, letting carbon dioxide in and oxygen out. To summarize, the difference between the two, morphology refers to the external structure, and study about seen from outside. Also, morphology help identify and classify plants like roots, stems, and leaf, while anatomy is focused on the internal structure and study about inside the plant. Also, helps understand how plant function like tissues and cell. Importance in agriculture. Understanding plant anatomy and morphology is crucial in agriculture. It helps in crop identification, improving crop management, and managing plant disease. By studying the plant anatomy, we can assist in breeding and disease control. Also, understanding plant growth and productivity. Lastly, conclusion. To conclude, the anatomy and morphology of plant are essential areas of study in plant science. This concept helps us understanding how plant function, grow, and thrive, which is key to improving agricultural practice and ensuring food security. Thank you for your attention.